AI is a new coin term in the 21st century of India. AI is a term which is used by many of the students. Right now, ChatGPT is getting popularized and all kinds of AI tools are coming into the market. So, why your request? Because I received actually many requests on my LinkedIn also to create some sort of videos on AI tools. So, I am back for your request, and please like, share, and subscribe. These all kind of video. I will be bringing many series on this channel. So talking about the AI technology, so AI is getting popularized right now in the day. Many kind of works were getting automated by using the proper AI technology, and in this video we will discuss about the AI technology for creating awesome presentations, right? When we talk about presentation creation, so it becomes very essential for us because we all are in the education industry, and if you are not also in education industry, if you are working and if you have to create the presentation stuff, so to create or to just decrease your hassle, I have just bought 2 AI tools to help you in this particular task, and by this video I will give you a full walkthrough to use it. So without wasting any time, just open your Chrome. And now I will just switch to my Chrome and you will see the things, right? So I am now on my Chrome, so you can just see all the things are listed over there. So what I gonna do here on this Chrome, so simple, what I will do, I will simply write here Tom AI presentation creator. Simple, I will write Tom AI presentation creator and click on OK. So on the first link you will receive all kind of things. You have to just go there and click on it. So when you will click on it, because if you haven't logged in yet, if you have logged in, then it will not look like this, but if you have logged in, then it will look like this. Okay, so just you have to click on try Tom and just continue by using Google IDs, right? So it will look like this. What you have to do, you have to just click over here, generate with AI, right? So I will click on generate with AI, and here, suppose I want to create my presentation about artificial intelligence. So what I will just write, like what's your presentation about? So it is on artificial intelligence, pros and cons. Okay, so like this, I am running out of my credit, but let's see how it will do, because you will get some kind of free credit. So what you can do, you can either use the temporary mail IDs or method, or what you can do, you can simply use your different Google IDs for this, right? Or otherwise you can just purchase their plan, because it's become very much great to purchase, because they are making many kind of efforts to create this kind of things. So here you can see that my particular presentation outline is ready. So what I will do, I will click on simple generate all pages. So when I will click on generate all pages, then what will happen, it will come like creating presentation sort of thing, and my presentation will get created. So it is written over there that my presentation is getting created. So I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Till then I will tell you the power of this, because in this particular AI series we will be bringing different tools, and this particular series will actually contain some kind of like 8 to 9 episodes, where because we will be discussing different tools in detail for different purposes. So for that it will contain 9 to 10 episodes, and this is actually being a very big series, because now AI is getting popularized, and being a generative AI mentor myself, I will teach you some sort of great technologies for creating this kind of thing. So you can just see my presentation is getting created over here, and my first page is ready, and this image is also generated by AI. Okay, I will tell you this thing. So you will see how it will gonna look. So let's wait and let's see like how it is going. So after waiting some kind of thing, like you will see the presentation has been created, and all the things are created by AI. So you can see like this text which is written over here is also created by artificial intelligence itself, and you can see like the cons are also written, and conclusion is also mentioned over here. All the things which is required for a perfect AI thing, right? Now here are different kinds of things which you can do. You can add your text, add your media to customize your presentation. Even more enhancement you can do by using these all tools. You can even set a theme, like if you want to go for a light theme, then this will be converted into light. If you want to go into the moss, it will just convert into moss. So accordingly you can do. So I like dark, so I will keep it dark only. So like this you can create your presentation, and by using its method to play, you can even play it. Okay, Simple, you can play, you can just present your presentation in front of your teacher like this. Very much simple. So like simple, you can do it. So in a very quick way, you can create awesome presentation by using this app. So talking about the next app, so let's talk about the next app. So I will leave this, Tom. Okay, so I will click on here and you can all see your all presentation which you have created. You can even hover to the templates on this app and you can start with some new thing. So like this you can do the stuffs. Now I will talk about the next step, and the next step is my pretty much favorite because even you can download the presentation for free. So I will go for Gamma. So when you click Gamma, then the Gamma, okay, so when you will come over to the top, you will see an interface like this. You have to just log in by using your Google ID and you will see the interface like this. Okay, so simply what you have to do, you have to just give your workspace name. Like if I want to give like community, simple workspace name I can give, like I can click on create. I want to use it for my school personal use. I want to use it my personal use as a data. I hear it on TikTok, like take anything, right? So it will look like this. So what I want to do, I want to generate my presentation on artificial intelligence, and I will choose the number of cards from here. Like if I want, so I will choose 10 cards over here, and what I will do, I will click on just generate the outline. So what it will generate, it will simply in a very fast way, it has generated my complete outline. I will just continue with using 40 credits, as these are actually run on a free basis. It's a premium thing, like it will run on a free basis till you have the credit, empty full credit. What you can create new account and you can use different your Google IDs if you want to use it for infinite time. So you can use different Google IDs, or you can change the Google IDs, right? So what I will doing here, you can choose the theme of your presentation. So I will choose this thing because I like the black theme, and I will click on just generate. So when I will click on generate, you will see that within the seconds my presentation will be going to generate, and you will see that it is generating in a very fast when it's my actually the favorite one. So if you want me to answer like from Tom and Gamma, whom I choose the in a priority case, so I will choose the Gamma for absolute reason. Why I am saying this? Because you will see that it has generated all sort of things by using artificial intelligence, simple AI, right? And you can see that it has generated the complete 10 cards. And now what I can do, you can even present it from here. From here you can present in an easy way, or what you can do, you can simply go over here and share with the link and share with any sort of personalities whom you want to take on board. And now the best part of Gamma is you can even click over here and export it into a PDF or PowerPoint, right? Like if you click on PowerPoint, then you will notice that you can just export this complete PPT into the PPTX format, and you can even download it. So this presentation you can download, right? Into the PDF also, into the PowerPoint also, for free of cost. You can just download it. So you can see this interesting part, like if I don't want to present it on this web page, so what I can do, I can download it on PDF and PowerPoint. So like this you can generate the presentations and you can learn over